Forza Horizon 6 Convoy Unavailable, failed to create Convoy. National Instruments apps, users only. 1. Close National Instruments apps completely. Exit all National Instruments software running in background. Close NI services from the system tray. Restart Forza Horizon 6 afterward. 2. Restart your PC and router. Restart your computer completely. Reboot your router or modem. Relaunch the game after reconnecting. 3. Disable NI network services temporarily. Open services in Windows. Disable unnecessary National Instruments network services. Restart the PC after changes. #4. Check Xbox Live server status. Verify Xbox Live multiplayer services are online. Wait if servers are under maintenance. Retry Convoy connection later. 5. Allow Forza Horizon 6 through Firewall. Open Windows Defender Firewall settings. Allow Forza Horizon 6 and Xbox app enable both private and public access. 6. Disable VPN and proxy services. Turn off VPN applications completely. Disable proxy settings in Windows. Relaunch the game afterward. 7. Repair Xbox app and gaming services. Open settings, apps, installed apps. Repair Xbox app from advanced options. Also repair gaming services. NASH 8. Reset network settings. Open Windows Network reset settings. Reset all network adapters. Restart your PC after reset completes. 9. Check NAT Type and Teredo connection. Open Xbox networking settings. Make sure NAT Type shows open. Fix block Teredo connection if needed. 10. Reinstall National Instruments software if needed. Uninstall problematic NI applications temporarily. Test Convoy mode without NI software installed. Reinstall latest compatible versions afterward.